Welcome to part 3 of the Forex. In this video, we will learn about why Forex market is so popular. Forex market has many advantage over the other market. You can see the advantage as below. The first advantage is Forex market is open around the clock, which allow you to trade whenever you want. It provides great flexibility for traders who want to trade part-time and as their full-time also. As there are no market opening around the clock, and closing times, opportunity for potential profit is 24 hours per day and 5 days per week. There is no waiting for the opening bell like share market or other markets. And the forex market open from Monday to Friday, and it has very lucrative market in the world. This is awesome for all people who are looking for trading with any time they prefer. You can choose any time you want, which is morning, noon, night, or during breakfast on before your sleep through forex market. The second advantage of forex market is it's really help for the people who doing very good in technical analysis. If you're very good in doing chart analysis by looking at the algorithm of the forex analysis, you can do it very fluently in forex. This because the forex market provide lot of knowledge, which is you can study the forex chart during technical analysis, forex trading through the courses given provided by us, and it help you to forecast the forex market through the education we provided. While using technical analysis, you may find useful to use economical calendar such as US market open calendar or global economic calendar. The impact of the news also strong on the forex market as currency. However, I strongly suggest that forex market is only 3% affected by fundamental analysis. However, is 95% is controlled by technical analysis. Is some people say the forex is controlled by the political events, economics data. However, if you're very good in analysis the forex through the technical analysis, you can analyze and you can enter strongly on the right direction in the forex market. Of course, trading volume varies depending on how many seasons overlap, and it often decreases when there are bank holidays or major sessions such as any holiday in the forex Wall Street. The third advantage of forex is you can deal with conveniently with the high risk environment. As a forex market, it can be volatile market. You need to be able to tolerate certain level of risk. To protect your trading capital, it's important to have a sound risk and money management system with rules. For the instance, you should always determine your stop loss and take profit level before entering the market. In this way, you will already know how much you're willing to lose and how much you are expected to earn from the position. This is called risk-reward ratio. Another example would be adapted size of the position depending on the current trading condition and the evolution of your trading capital. These rules should be part of your trading plan, and profitable should always stick to your plan. When you have a money management, you can have a good trading and you don't lose very much money like other people do. The money management will reduce your greedy in the forex market. When you trade forex, you will be dedicated and patient enough to develop a trading plan and follow your own method. This is where the commitment, patience, and education are the most important ingredients in trading. Having a trading plan to follow when trading is vital if you want to be successful. But most importantly, you need to become committed to your forex, and your patient and open close position of your market will help you to set up a good margin of the return in the forex. However, we recommend you to develop your own strategy first through the forex coaching we provided. Before trading a real money, you have to trade with the demo account first for at least 3 months or 6 months. Then, after you're confident with your trading strategy, you can analyze in the real market. You can put money in the real market to trade. The fifth advantage is you can take advantage through the high liquidity market in the world, which in 2020 the world forex market is trading forex volume per day is 7.1 trillion. You as a forex trader, you can get any money through the forex market through the analysis. This high trading volume increase the liquidity of the market, which means that it's easy and fast for trader to enter trade, or also reduce the risk of potential price manipulation from others. Because the forex is so enormous, it also extremely liquid. This advantage because under the normal market condition with click famous, you can instantaneously buy and sell at will. You are never stuck in a trade. You can never set online trading platform automatically close your position once you desire profit level. For example, stop loss, limit order, stop loss, buy limit. This all help you to limit your risk in the forex market. The sixth advantage is low barriers in entry in forex, because you don't need such money in order to trading in forex. You only need $1 to as an investment to trade forex, and also the broker allow giving you a free money to start your forex trading. There are many forex trader brokers are giving you welcome bonus to start trading. That is it. You can start your trading for free without any investment, and moreover some brokers are giving you a good margin opportunity that allowing to reduce your risk 50%. The seventh advantage of forex is there are free stuff offered by forex broker everywhere. Most forex online brokers offer demo accounts to practice trading and build your skill along with the real-time forex. Some broker also allow you giving you a free coaching session for certain deposit. Some brokers are giving you copy trading, or they giving you a seminar for people who are purposely join under the broker. Demo accounts also very popular among forex trader, valuable resource for those who are financially hampered and would like to hone their tradings with play money. Before open your live trading account, this real money, now you can use the demo account to test the forex market or test your strategy for 3 months. Then you can go for the offer given by the forex brokers. Basically, forex brokers are very friendly to people are joining under there. They will take care of the forex traders, and they make sure forex traders are trading peacefully under their brokerage. The eighth advantage is low transaction cost. Typically, forex broker make their money on spread provided in the trade is open and closed before any overnight funding charges are applied. Therefore, forex trading is cost effective when weighed up against the market like equity, which is attracting commission and charges. You are no need to charge $100 or $300 in other forex stock markets. Forex spread is like they charging per trade you open. They're only charging 0.2 spread or lower than that. It's all depending on the broker, but basically in forex there is no charge or commission higher than the stock market, the share market. The ninth advantage of forex market is no one can control the forex market. The forex market is sufficiently liquid that significant manipulation by any single entity all but impossible during active trading hours for the major currency. Foreign exchange market is huge and has many participants, so that no single entity, even central banks or other banks, can control the forex market for their own benefits. The trend advantage is forex has low spread and bid-ask spread, which is extremely low for the major currency pair, which is such as GBP, Japan, or Euro USD. When trading this lower spread currency, you won't lose much money because the spread is make sure the position you open is not affect your capital. The 11th advantage is forex giving you more opportunity to profit. Forex trading allow you to take forex in a speculative moment, and also you can scalp the forex, you can swing the forex for the long term or short term, any position you can do in the forex trading allow trader to make speculative position on currency growing and going down appreciation. And there are many differences in forex traders, spot and profitable traders. This means forex trader can make profit in up market and down market no matter any condition. The 12th advantage is Forex has leverage trading. Trading Forex involves the use of leverage. This means the trader no need to pay full cost for the trade, but instead only put down a fraction of the cost. This has potential to the margin of your profit, but it also make you lose your Forex capital in a same time. We suggest to discipline your approach to trade your Forex by making your money management. We are restricting not put more than 50 1 per 50 leverage for your capital risk. The 13th advantage of the forex is there is no commission, clearing fee or no exchange fee, government fee or no brokerage fee in forex. Most retail forex brokers are not compensated for their service through the something called the split. We don't get any pay any fees for the government or any entities through the forex trading. Everything will be managed by the broker. The transaction cost, all everything will be less than compared to other brokers or stock share market. It's really good for traders.